Hi everyone, Ryan here. Today I've got another privet in 41 here to start working on. I like this tray. The reason I like this tray, it's got one live vein, which is this bit here, supplying. All that's on. The live vein stops here when it goes up to the apex. All this is all dead, which is around about here. And all this is dead, so I might clean this up and just have a piece of dead wood, make it look like some sort of tenuti with the one live vein, which would be pretty cool, I think. This is never going to be a show tray, it's just something I like playing with. Well, no further ado, we'll get this little baby cleaned up and see what she looks like. The first thing I want to do is come in and just remove these suckers. It's putting out the suckers there because there's no live, like I was saying, left in the tray. Got one live bit coming here, and that's why it keeps getting the suckers on there. So by removing them, it's opened this part of the tree up. We have a dead branch here, but we're getting out new shoots just in there. Well, it's dead because of snow. So I want to tear that off there. Here we have one growing straight up, so that'll be coming off. I'll cut that back to 2 pairs on there. Any crappy leaves with I'm going to be taken off or look half dead, and the likes of here's another dead branch, and again see that's grown up, but that was add a bit of wire onto that. I want to take it back to there for now. I'm just taking off the bits of crappy leaves for now and the bottom of the flowers. I'll let that grow and then that will come into that bit. Take the tips off there because I think we need to add some wire back onto this apex. So we just take the flowers off. We will wire it, then take off what we don't need. Getting plagued by caterpillars, I think. I like to give them a sprayer. The little buggers. So, another privet, another day. You'll be sick of the privets by the time I'm done. I need to go outside and water all the trees today. It's a warm day. This one here, we have 2 nice branches and we have a little one growing out. I'm going to take that one off because it's growing down, plus it's the weakest of the 3. So now we have it coming down into 2. We've got 2 in there. That's okay. That's okay. That's, don't need that because we've got 2 coming out of there. Don't need that. It pretty much looks just alright with a haircut. Still wants shaping, a little bit more wiring. That's going down, so that's coming off. We'll probably find a lot when we start putting shape into it. There you go, right now I'll miss a flower or two. I don't know whether to clean all this and make it white. Oh gosh, we've got the vein coming down there, along there. And that's it. Oh, that could be white. I tell you what, leave a comment if you think I should clean all the bark off and make all the dead wood, white. Then we can just have the one live vein coming up the tree, and all this will be white, which I think might look nice. Leave a comment and give us your suggestions, and we'll go from there. So like I say, as this was originally the front, which I don't know whether to style as the front, or should we go for that? Right, I'm going back for this. Go on. I'm going to add a little bit shape back into the tree now. Doesn't need much, just needs a little bit. Okay, I pretty much have this first pad developing on this tray. Even if we do change the angle, our pad doesn't look bad. Like, change the front. If we do swap it around and change the front, then branches are pretty much in place. It'll be just the apex to tweak. wire on what I want on. So where were we? Here. So I'm going to continue from this side and we'll work up the tree. I'll finish the work on this privet for now. Please leave a comment if you think I should clean all this dead bark off and have a nice white piece of wood with one live vein. I've styled the tree both ways. I didn't mean to, but it's worked out so you can look at it from the front or the back, because I don't know which to use as the front or the back. Yet again, leave a comment, help a pit yakker out. Well, for a stump, what was collected, it's not a bad little tree. It can only get better, like I say. So there, that was the back, which could be a potential front, which I think looks good. Or we have the front there, which we can see the vein a bit better, in contrast with the Deadwood as a front. So either way, it'll work either way for us. I'm sorry about keep doing privet videos, but I need to get the privets done. I've got the one on the rock to do, and my big one. I'll just mix them up a little bit. I'll get the videos done, then I'll mix them up, because you'll be bored to keep saying there privet. I might lose this little one up here, so it opens it up a bit. But I'm just going to leave them there for now, and we'll have a look later on, because if it's at the back, we do use this as the back. I can bend it round into here to create a fuller pad, just like that. But if we're using that as the front, I don't want it to block the Deadwood. But there we have it. Another privet done. Get them outside, get it watered, because it's 21 degrees here. Not used to this heat. But if you've been around since the beginning, thanks for sticking around and listening to a boring bloke like me, or listening to me boring music. All joking aside, as always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't, smash the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!